Welcome back to the LNCANDREY YouTube channel. In today's video, we're working on this McLaren 650s. Beautiful Volcano orange, 3-stage orange paint. And somebody, a McLaren certified shop, painted the roof on this thing and it was completely faded, uneven, and patchy. So I gotta clean somebody's mess up, and we're gonna clean it up. The rocker panel also had a little crack here, so we repaired that. We're gonna paint this as well, but nothing too extreme. Try and stay away from any other panels. This paint job ain't the greatest. I don't know if it's factory or it's been painted, but each panel looks different. It has all kinds of fading at different angles, different, you can kind of see here, but in the sun especially, you'll notice as you walk around, panels have like, I don't know if it's the candy mid coat that's in it, fades under the sun, but not the greatest, not the greatest. Looks nice though. Ain't gonna lie, looks cool, but the panels are blotchy, patchy. I don't know if the camera's catching it, but to the human eye, you can really see the uneven application of the mid coat. Hopefully we don't have too much of that on the roof when I paint it, but I opened it up. That way I can mask up all through here where we removed all the gaskets. We'll spray it, unmask it, install everything back, and make this car look hopefully better than it did coming in. McLaren does not provide color code or color formulas, so we had the paint matched at our Martin Auto Color, our paint store, and turned out pretty good. I like it. I think it's gonna look very well. And basically it's a EHP waterborne base coat, and then a solvent vibrance collection mid coat, and then your regular old clear coat over it to seal it all in. Let me get to masking. Hey. Did I tell you you can close? I didn't say you can close on me. Come on, already giving me a hard time. I didn't even start painting. Let's see, what's wrong with you? Power on. Roof system over temperature. What in the world? Let me see if I can start it. Says roof temperature over temperature or something. I'm going to try and lock it up. And then unlock it and try it again. Technically should work without having to turn on the car. Son of a biscuit. Roof system over temperature. I'm gonna Google, see what that means. All right, I got it open again. I kind of reset it. I don't know, I read that you reset it by opening this cover and then closing it again, and then it opened up right away. So let me mask it up real quick before it closes on me, and then we'll get to spraying. Here we are, our McLaren 650s is masked up and looking good. Masked off our roof panels, taped inside so we don't get any overspray inside the car or on the adjacent panels. For this job, I will be using my Segala 4600 Extreme. I think it's only fit that we use this spray gun because it literally is like the same exact color. But that's not why I'm using it. I'm using this gun because it has a beautiful fan, even fan pattern. Sprays very nicely, has a built-in pressure gauge, and has the blue aqua DVR cap for our base coat. I spray between 18 and 20 PSI, and it lays it out very nicely. This spray booth is 30 years old, so it has a little tweaks here and there, don't mind me. But as I was saying, I'll show you guys like the fan pattern it has. I'll spray it on this white paper so you can see nice, wide, even fan pattern. But let me clean it up, degrease it one more time. I'm gonna use my One Choice wax and grease remover, part number SXA330. All right, we got our base coat laid out, super silky smooth. Got our coverage. I decided just to spray this whole entire thing so we don't have to blend. And then here's our roof panels. We did our 2 coats plus a control coat to even out all the metallics. And we're ready for our mid coat. this is what our paint is looking like with our base coat and mid coat applied. We did 3 coats of mid coat, and we're ready to clear it. Looks good, nice and uniform. Here's our rocker panel. And walk around this side. So yeah, this thing's dry. I let it flash off for about 20 minutes after my last coat. So completely dry and ready for our clear coat. And for clear coat, I'm going to be using the same Segala 4600 Extreme, but with the DVR titanium cap made for clear coat. We use this one for base coat and this one for clear coat. It has a couple more extra holes and it automizes the clear coat beautifully. So spraying this at 20, I'm going to be at around 26 psi, and we're going to do our 2 coats, make this thing shine. Our McLaren is painted and dry, looking nice. Nice, beautiful finish, glossy and all uniform and no patchiness. Looks good. Here's our roof. Let's unmask the McLaren, get it outside, and on to the next.